Many smartphones now come equipped with satellite positioning. And with many countries providing satellite positioning service, it's now easier than ever to locate yourself on the digital map. But I'm sure you've noticed that sometimes the phone can't fully capture your location. Here are 5 tricks for better location positioning on your mobile. Before we begin, remember to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and remember to click on the notification bell to receive our latest news. If you want to learn more about Geo-Informatics, be sure to enroll in our MOOC. The link is in the description box below. Now let's get started. Number 1. Switch on Wi-Fi. It might be a bit strange to think that in order for better positioning, you need to switch on Wi-Fi, but there's a logic to this. Phones can position themselves using signals in the air, such as cell tower signals. They can also use signals from satellite systems such as GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. And with Wi-Fi available everywhere, the phones can make use of these signals to track its position. You won't actually have to access individual hotspots, only catch the signals. Number 2. Check location settings. This might be a bit intuitive, but for many it needs to be said. In the phone's settings, there will often be the options for locating method and improve accuracy. Under Locating Method, choose GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks. This allows the phone to use signals from satellites, Wi-Fi hotspots, and cell towers to locate itself. Under Improve Accuracy, if you turn on the options for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, the phone will allow apps such as Google Maps or location-based games to detect these signals. The more sources you allow your phone to track and capture, the easier it will be for it to figure out a location. Number 3. Recalibrate. Calibration is the simple process of making sure your phone's built-in compass is in the correct direction. The way your phone locates and navigates is dependent on the signals it receives from its surroundings and measurements from the built-in gyroscope, inclinometer, accelerometer, and magnetometer. Even though the phone can pinpoint your location, once you start moving, it relies on these measurements, and the sensors will record the heading, speed of movement, and change in orientation. Apps such as Google Maps will regularly tell the user to do figure 8s to calibrate. Other apps may require tilting the phone or similar actions. Number 4. Find an open area. More specifically, go to an area with clearly visible sky, preferably in a park without high-rise buildings surrounding it. When you find yourself without signal, standing in the same place and reorienting yourself does very little. Similar to trying to get cell phone signal, it would be best to move away from the location and go somewhere else. Also, being surrounded by buildings is actually detrimental to trying to capture the correct satellite signal. Buildings may reflect signals off its surface, and the phone may capture these. Given that the phone calculates its position by using the time taken for the signal to transmit from the satellite, having it reflect off buildings means a longer signal transmission time, giving inaccurate positions. Number 5. Restart the phone or disable location functions on the phone. This is another quite intuitive trick. Before resorting to a restart, you may want to try disabling all location functions on your phone. Each time a phone's satellite positioning function or location function starts up, it needs to gather satellite information. By restarting, you are forcibly asking the phone to locate new information. Though with AGPS, it usually means downloading satellite information from the AGPS server instead of gathering it directly from the satellites themselves. This only means it takes a shorter amount of time to calculate the phone's location, and by no means would this mean a decrease in accuracy of positioning. And there's the 5 tricks for better positioning with mobile phones. Have we missed any? What are some of the tricks you've used? Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about Geo-Informatics, enroll in our MOOC available on edX. The link is in the description box down below.